Okay, today we're working on the old Polar R's. She fouled some plugs. She fouled both of them. This one here is kind of, I just burned some shit off of her, but that's how I'm kind of going to see if this old farmer fix or mechanics fix, whatever the fuck you want to call it, works. Where you basically take yourself a nice torch here and get her nice and hot and burn all that shit off. So as you notice, when they're fouled, they're nice and black. And that electrode there, not the electrode, but the little ground thing there, the little prong on the end, she will usually be black. If it's white, she's running too lean. If she's black, she's running too rich and you fouled her. Well, actually, it doesn't even necessarily mean you foul it, it's just running too rich, but you will eventually foul it. A nice cardboard color, which actually it looks like right now, because we're burning enough of the shit off. That is where you, what you kind of want. I myself am taking these fucking things and I'm heating them up enough to where she's getting white, so you can actually tell she's fucking burned all that shit off her. And we're gonna really see if the performance does increase from doing this or not. Because I mean, I have extra set of plugs, but I really am curious to see if this is a method of fixing fouled plugs. So I think that's kind of good enough there. Nice cardboard color on that prong there. As you can see, she's smoking. That's another thing. If you're going to do this, big safety tip, do not fucking grab that. And if you clamp her in the vise, do not clamp by the ceramic for one, which is that white bit there. Clamp it on the end there. Suggest using soft draws, but if you're going to do it like I did, very, very just light enough to grab her and hold her up. Then, for fuck's sakes, I left her over here. Take yourself some fucking channel locks or water pump pliers, almost there. And you're just going to grab her. And you're just gonna fucking take out your dick and hold the camera. And you grab her, because she's gonna be hot, and I really don't want people burning themselves. Set it around in the hole there. Just like so. Take your fucking fancy schmancy socket here for doing spark plugs and whatnot, and just kind of thread her in. And yeah, so we'll see if she actually fixes this. I've been running a really rich oil mixture, 32:1, because the injection pump quit on this. So anyways, you just give her a nice little that. She's good enough. Very minuscule torque on these. But I've been running some pretty nice, or not, fucking, what am I trying to say here? I've been running some really rich oil mixture on this, 32:1, because I didn't feel like blowing the engine up. So, naturally, I put a lot of oil in her. By the way, I do not know what the fuck that is. Holy shit. Somebody fabricated this back together, and it wasn't me. I'll probably do a video on fixing that. We might even cut the silencer out of her. If I can get her to rump and... So, yeah. But I've been running really rich oil mixture, so that's probably the cause of this whole fucking debauchery here. Well, let's go get this fucking thing turned around, see if she runs. Man, I fucking wish this thing had reverse. Anyways, here are some good old pumps there. 3 to be precise. So you should fire up first pull. Yeah, she's farmer rigged there. Cocksucker. So she still runs like a bag of shit. Probably should check the gap on her. Maybe she's not really firing so well. Maybe one of them went a little bit better than the other. There's so many variables there. I'm just gonna swap the plugs because that seems to make a difference. She did feel like she was a little bit more peppy, so that's good. But I'll swap the plugs and yeah, that's kind of it. That really doesn't fix fouled spark plugs, so that's a cool experiment.